Hey everybody, Joe here, and in this video, we're gonna be checking out the all-new Google Maps version 3 stack update that's coming out. And man, it is awesome. It is definitely the most comprehensive and easy to use, powerful map stacks out there in the Stacks ecosystem. Let's check it out. Let's jump in and have a look at the Static Maps stack. This uses the full breadth of the Statics Map API within Google. And essentially, this allows you to import an image of your map, a static image, rather than that interactive embed that we see all over the web. What are the benefits of this Static Map API? Well, we have a lot of flexibility. We can add markers just like a normal map. We can do street view. We can style our map any way we want. We can adjust the colors. We can do all kinds of interesting things that way. We can also add multiple markers and basically build out a path to kind of fill out like a region within our map, right? And these examples here only scratch the surface of really what the Statics Map API can do. Some other things, again, we can style maps with any colors that we want. We can also inlay our own images instead of using Google's markers. We can have our own custom labels for each marker as well. So this is a really powerful stack. Another great reason to use the Statics Map API is that there are no third-party scripts loaded on the page at all. It's just an image, so you don't have to worry about, special GDPR requests in terms of JavaScript running on the client's browser and gathering information and all of that information, all that jazz. Next up is we have the traditional Google Map embed, where you can have a particular location and you can interact and move and zoom in and out of the maps. So this is basically your traditional Google Map embed. Then we have the ability to actually embed a street view. Okay, so you can find your particular coordinates within the world. And here we have this funny, rendition. These Japanese art students wanted to have some fun with the Google Maps crew. So they dressed up as pigeons. Pretty hilarious. So yeah, Streets View is fully interactive. You can navigate through the streets. And yeah, we can even go behind them and you see their pigeons are following us. Okay. Next up is the search stack. And this allows you to search for a particular query within a region, right? And these are fully interactive. So in this map, I'm searching for Whole Foods markets within the San Francisco Bay Area. And here they are. They're all highlighted here. I can actually click on each individual one and I can get directions to them. But basically, within this map, I can go ahead and customize what query I want, and it will display all those queries on a map. Pretty slick. Next up is we have a directions map, and the directions allow you obviously go from point A to point B, but you can also add full-blown up to 20 waypoints within your directions. So like if I wanted this direction to kind of go through Presidio Golf Course and maybe stop off at a few other places, you can have an entire route with this. You can have up to 20 waypoints. And this is a great use case for integrating with Total CMS and feeds to add those waypoints and markers dynamically. Now, the last stack that we have as a part of the Google Maps stack is the GPS load stack. And what this does is it allows us to integrate the Google Maps directly with forms. Now, if I click this load my GPS button, it actually prompts me, the end user, if I want to allow this website to track and know my current location. I'm going to click allow. So as you see here, my GPS coordinates have been loaded. Now we can optionally load these into a form, but I also integrated a map into this so that my current location is displayed natively on a map inside of my form. Now you can use any of the maps defined here. You can use directions, you can use a static map, you can use a map embed, you can use any of the maps that you like, and it will integrate with this GPS load stack. All right, so let's hop into RapidRiver and kind of show you what you're getting. You'll see here that you have 6 different stacks. There's one for each type of map, as well as the load GPS stack. And just as you would use any other stack, you could just drag and drop it and, look at all the settings here. I'm not going to dive through all the settings in this particular video. Please check out our videos that we're going to have for each individual map stack so you can learn about the intricacies of each individual map. Yeah, just dragging and dropping here. We have a static map. Here we have the map embed. Super simple to use. As you see, I just have the address, the type of map that I want, set my zoom level, set the sizing. It's fully 100% responsive. And these settings that you're seeing here are going to be, pretty much uniform across all the map stacks, as well as some additional ones that are specific for that particular map, obviously. We can load, there's some integrations that we have for Google Maps. We can load from the GPS stack, which we saw that earlier. You can also integrate with Cookie Jar and Raincheck. Other integrations that we support and love are the Total CMS and Feeds integration that I mentioned earlier. All the map stacks will support that. And like I said, these stacks couldn't be easier to use. Like, here's our direction stack. You just simply put where you want to go from, where you want to go to. You can add as many waypoints as you want. Again, you can add waypoints manually or via Total CMS or Feeds if you want to dynamically and actually have users add their directions themselves via a CMS. Pretty awesome. So that's the new Google Map Stack in a nutshell. I hope you enjoy and see how awesome and simple these are to integrate into your web pages. Again, they're fully responsive, easy to use, extremely elaborate. They support every API aspect for the static maps and the embed APIs within Google. The integrations that we've added with Cookie Jar and Raincheck, as well as Total CMS and Feeds, is really going to allow you to take these things to the next level. And really integrate it into your site's design and how they behave, how your customers behave with the websites. These are just going to be a really great addition to your toolbox. So I hope you enjoy them. We will see you soon, and make sure you check out the more detailed videos that we have if you need those. Take care, everyone. We'll see you on Weaverspace. Now go forth and make your websites great. Bye.